How to make group calls on WhatsApp. Want to make group calls on WhatsApp? Then here is a quick guide to do. Without much ado, let's get started. Launch the WhatsApp application on your device. Ensure to log in or sign in to your account. The first way to make group calls on WhatsApp is by opening any group chat. Here you can see video call or audio call at top of the screen. Select any one and choose call group at the bottom of the screen. This is one of the way to make group calls on WhatsApp. The other way is simply get back from the section and you can make any individual calls. By making individual call, they can also add another person on that same group call. That's it. That's how we easily make group calls on WhatsApp. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on this video. Subscribe and press the notification bell for more updates and tech and tips. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.